3 crypto narratives you can't afford to miss in 2025. The crypto market is entering a brand new cycle, and that's no secret. What most investors are missing is the nature of the shift underway. Money is no longer flowing to the same old plays. DeFi, NFTs, even meme coins are giving way to trends that run deeper, solve real problems, and demand real understanding. Below are the 3 narratives forecast to explode in 2025, backed by market data, institutional moves, and the evolution of blockchain infrastructure worldwide. If you're serious about crypto, read on. 1. AI times crypto, the game-changing fusion. If you think AI is just ChatGPT and Midjourney, you're overlooking a much bigger revolution: decentralized AI. AI needs massive, transparent datasets and compute power, exactly what blockchains excel at providing. Meanwhile, blockchains lack the intelligence layer that AI supplies. Together they form a true symbiosis, not a gimmick. Projects leading the charge. FET.ai FET builds infrastructure for autonomous AI agents to negotiate and transact. Ocean Protocol, Ocean, a decentralized marketplace where data is bought, sold, and shared. Bittenzer, TAO, a distributed machine learning network where nodes earn tokens for contributing models and compute. In 2025, AI times crypto is poised to become the foundation of a new, decentralized internet, not just another narrative pump. 2. Real-World Assets, RWA, bringing traditional finance on-chain. Tokenizing T-bills may sound dull, until you realize BlackRock is already doing it. RWA means putting real estate, bonds, stocks, and other traditional assets directly on blockchain, making them instantly tradable, infinitely divisible, and 100% transparent. Why it matters. Institutional money is entering the arena. BlackRock has tokenized hundreds of millions in U.S. treasuries. JP Morgan is piloting tokenized stock trades. Centrifuge, Maple Finance, Ondo Finance, and others are opening DeFi's doors to trillions in off-chain value. Crypto finally gains access to the massive liquidity of global finance, cheaper, faster, and more efficiently than any existing banking rails. 3. Layer 2 and Modular Blockchains, re-architecting the decentralized web. Ethereum is powerful, but it can't scale to billions of users alone. Enter a Layer 2 such as Optimism, Arbitrum, zk-Sync, and Base, which batch transactions off-chain and settle securely on Ethereum. Modular blockchains like Celestia and EigenLayer, which unbundle consensus, data availability, and execution so builders can snap infrastructure together like Lego bricks. If Ethereum is the 1997 Internet, modular design is the 2005 AWS moment, the catalyst for millions of future applications. Conclusion: look forward, not back. Those fixated on yesterday's meme coins or NFT hype may miss an entirely new wave. Crypto in 2025 is pivoting toward data, AI, real-world capital, and next-gen infrastructure. Master these trends now, and you'll be positioned ahead of the mainstream. Join the conversation. Have a question, hotspot project, or counter-opinion? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and share the channel with a friend who needs an edge in the next bull run. Your support helps the community and this channel grow. Let's navigate the future of crypto together.